to curling the straight wig.
Let's see how this wig looks on the mannequin. I really like the color of this wig. I think it's perfect for any season, but I definitely see this wig being a huge hit in the upcoming fall and winter months. This wig is designed to be worn glueless and to fit more securely on your head than a lace frontal wig would. Before I get started curling the wig or flat ironing the wig, I decided to cut layers into the hair because I feel like with these bold highlights and with this color and especially this length, it will look a lot better with some face framing layers. So we're just going to go ahead and start layering the hair. I'm not cutting too much length off, but I do want it to cascade and have layers in the front. So now I'm grabbing a hair wax stick there, and I'm just going to apply that to where the parting space is and also where the hairline is. I'm basically just going to comb that product through the hair and then use my pressing comb to smooth all of the hairs into place. This is also going to prep the hair for styling as well as flatten and define the parting space a little bit more. So now I am grabbing 𝐷𝐼𝐸 Silk Infusion Hair Serum, applying it to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm going to curl each section using my Baby Bliss Pro curling iron. All done with the curls. I really love how the highlights look with curls. You can wear this hair straight, of course, but I think with curls, it just pops even more. I love that.